To create a Revolut invoice, you will need to have a Revolut business account. If you do not have one, sign up for a Revolut business account and follow the verification process. Once your account is set up, log into your Revolut dashboard and navigate to the Invoices section. In the Invoices section, click on the New Invoice button to start creating your invoice. You will be prompted to enter the invoice details, including the invoice date, invoice number, and payment terms. Make sure to fill in all the required fields accurately, as this information will be displayed on the invoice. Next, add the billing information, including the company name, address, and VAT number if applicable. You can also add a logo to your invoice to give it a professional look. Enter the client's details, including their name, email address, and payment method. Now, add the items or services you are invoicing for, including the description, quantity, and price. You can also add taxes and discounts if applicable. Make sure to calculate the total amount correctly and include any additional fees. Once you have added all the necessary items, review your invoice for accuracy and completeness. You can also add a payment link to your invoice, allowing your clients to pay you directly. When you are satisfied with your invoice, click on the Save and Send button to generate and send the invoice to your client. Revolut will automatically generate a unique invoice number and payment link, and send the invoice to your client's email address. You can also track the status of your invoice, including when it is viewed and paid. By following these steps, you can create a professional and accurate Revolut invoice, and get paid quickly and securely.